Today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'll show you how to draw a Bluetooth speaker. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We're going to begin by drawing an ellipse. This is not an easy thing to draw. It's a kind of a squash circle. It's been squashed that way. And I've got that slightly at an angle, so I'll move the page around a little bit. And then just go a little above the top of there, and we kind of follow it, but going slightly wider and then around like that. And then we'll do something similar on the other side. Just going slightly wider like that. And then here we want this, it's not quite straight, it's slightly curving. And again, that is slightly curving down to about there. And then we want a nice curve to join them up at the bottom like that. Now we're going to do another curve which comes around like that and sort of joins up there, and another one down at the bottom which is going to come around like that and join up there. The trickiest bit is the sound holes across the top. We want to get a slightly curved kind of feel, so I'm going to start about there and I'm going to draw lots of little dots, but it's just slightly curved, and you want to kind of keep them nicely separated apart, so it's not a straight line across, slightly curved. And then the really difficult bit is here, so from that middle line, and this is just going to be slightly curved as well, and here again we'll do that down to that, so it's just slightly curved. And then we'll come up there and down there, and we'll just kind of fill in these little V's, little pattern of V's like that. And this is quite boring, so I'm just going to zip through this. So those are the speaker holes on the top, and you're going to see a little USB thing there for recharging like that. And there might be a little light, and what about having an on-off switch as well like that, which maybe is kind of over that way, and that will be like that. And we can do a bit of shading, so we want a little bit of shading there, and we're going to put just slightly curving bits of shading down the side. Don't put them right to the edge, because on a thing like this you have ambient lighting down the edge there, which is kind of the shading doesn't go all the way around to the outside. And then also I think we'll put a little bit here just to help give that feeling of curvature, and down there too as well. And then all you're really going to need to do is have a bit of shading on the ground, and we can flick that across there, and then we can flick that down there like that. So this is the first, sideways is hatching, or anyway is hatching, and then when you cross it, then that's cross hatching. And there you go, how to draw a Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.